Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into the world of puns, a fun and clever figure of speech. Get ready to explore how puns use the multiple meanings of words or phrases to make us laugh and sometimes groan. We're going to uncover the mechanics of puns and see how they pop up everywhere from casual conversation to the works of Shakespeare. So buckle up, word nerds, because we're about to embark on a pun-tastic adventure. Let's start by getting official. What exactly a pun, according to the linguistic rulebook? A pun is a figure of speech that exploits the different possible meanings of a word, or the fact that there are words that sound alike but have different meanings. Don't worry, we're going to break it down and look at examples so the definition becomes crystal clear. Okay. So a pun plays with words that sound similar but have different meanings. Imagine you have two keys that look identical but open different doors. That's what a pun does with language. The pun takes these sound-alike words and uses them in a way that makes you think about meanings at the same time. It's like a little mental juggling act, and when it's done well, it's pretty impressive. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. What makes this joke work? It's the word makeup. On one hand, atoms are the building blocks of everything. They literally make up the universe. But makeup can also mean to tell a lie or invent a story. The pun plays on both of these meanings simultaneously. Next up, we have a pun about everyone's favorite carb bread. I used to be a baker, but I couldn't make enough dough. Here, the word dough is doing double duty. Of course, bakers use dough to make bread, but dough is also slang for money. This pun makes us laugh because it implies that the baker wasn't making enough money, even though they worked with dough all day. This next pun is a classic. Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like a banana. We've got a double whammy of wordplay here. First, we have the familiar saying time flies, meaning time passes quickly. This sets up the second part where fruit flies, the pesky insects, are said to like a banana. The pun plays on the different meanings of flies as both a verb, to move quickly through the air, and a noun, referring to the insects. Now let's talk about a pun that dives into the world of diplomacy. An ambassador is an honest man who lies abroad for the good of his country. This pun plays on the word lies. On one hand, lies means to recline or be situated in a place, which fits the context of being abroad. On the other hand, lies also means to tell falsehoods. The pun humorously suggests that an ambassador, while being honest, also tells falsehoods for the benefit of their country. It's a clever play on the dual meanings of lies, and gives us a chuckle while highlighting the complexities of diplomatic roles. Let's roll into another puntastic example. A bicycle can't stand on its own because it's too tired. This pun is all about how words sound. Too tired sounds exactly like too tired, which is how we might describe someone who is exhausted. The pun connects the bicycle's two tires to the idea of being too tired to stand up. Shakespeare strikes again with a pun in. When Mercutio is fatally wounded, he says, "Ask for me tomorrow and you shall find me a grave man." This pun hinges on the word grave. Mercutio is, of course, referring to his impending death, as he'll be in a grave. But grave can also mean serious or solemn, which describes Mercutio's personality. Even in the face of death, Shakespeare uses a pun to add layers of meaning. So there you have it, pun enthusiasts. We've explored the definition of puns, broken down how they work, and seen how they add humor and wit to both everyday language and great works of literature. Remember, puns might make you groan sometimes, but they're also a sign of cleverness and creativity. If you enjoyed learning about puns, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos.